Look at the hairline. Where is the lace?
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is me, your favorite girl, Anastasia, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a wig review video, and the wig I'm going to be reviewing today is from Luvme Hair. Luvme Hair has like the best wigs, like, to be honest, they sell the best wigs, and I would say you guys should patronize Luvme Hair. Okay, so guys, this bob wig I'm about to show you, this wig is a must-have. You guys, you need to buy this wig. This wig is so easy to like install. Like, I can tell like it's going to be very easy. Let me show you the other things that came with this wig. Okay, so this is a Luvme Hair cute purse. Oh my god, this is so cute. There is this small cute band for tying up your frontal, and then a wig comb or a wig brush. It has a $5 gift card, which is so cute. I think this is like a hair bonnet if I'm correct, and then a wig cap. This is how the wig is straight out of the box. You guys can see it has this I think this is like a kinky texture, and it also has this natural hairline. It's going to mimic your natural hair, like your natural hairline, and it's a side part wig, as you guys can see. So this wig is customized to be a side part wig, and it also has this strap thingy at the back that will help to secure your wig. So I'm just going to put the wig on my head. Guys, can you see how your girl is looking all cute and nice? This wig is so gorgeous, and like I said guys, this wig is a natural side part wig, and it also has baby hairs. Like, it has this natural baby hairs. You guys can see that there is not much work to do. I just have to cut up the lace and define the parts so it will be fully defined, and I'll just straighten up the wig a little bit, and that's going to be it, and I'll show you guys the finished look. My wig is ready, so I straightened it up a little bit and I cut off the lace. So I'm going to put on my wig right now so I can show you guys what this wig is looking like. But guys, this wig is just so beautiful, and it doesn't really take much effort to install your wig. So I'm just going to put on my wig right now. Oh my god, guys, this is how the wig is looking like. Oh my god, it actually looks so beautiful. Can you see how this hair looks like my natural hair? It looks like a relaxed hair. Like, it's so gorgeous. Guys, can you see the back of this hair? This is absolutely beautiful, and you know, I'm just so in love. And guys, look at the hairline of this hair. It actually looks like my natural hair, which I really love. My god, this is so cute. every girl needs to have this hair, because what is this beauty? What is this beauty, guys? This hair is gorgeous, and I really love the fact that it doesn't even take up to like 5 minutes to get this hair ready, and you don't even necessarily need to like straighten the hair. You can do that if you want to. But guys, this is how this hair is looking like. It's so gorgeous, and it has like a natural texture. Like, it looks like a relaxed hair, so it's just gorgeous. And the hairline, guys, look at the hairline. Where is the lace? Love Me Hair, thank you guys so much for sending me this beautiful unit. And guys, make sure you buy this hair from Love Me Hair, because they sell the best wigs. You guys, make sure you check my description box, because all the details of this hair is going to be there. You guys, patronize Love Me Hair today. Buy this wig from Love Me Hair if you want to slay like me. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys.